TikTok creativity program is absolutely blowing up right now. People are making over $10,000 within their first month. It's hands down one of the best ways to earn money online at the moment. But don't get too excited just yet. The program is only available in major countries like the US, UK, and France. If you're not based in one of these places, you can't officially join, or so they say. Luckily for you, today's your lucky day. I stumbled upon a method that completely bypasses this location restriction. A friend of mine recently developed a strategy that lets anyone create legitimate TikTok accounts eligible to join the program, regardless of where you live. Meaning you too can start earning money online. So buckle up. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start making serious money with TikTok. Let's dive straight into Chapter 1, setting up your US-based TikTok account. This step is non-negotiable. Without a US or UK account, you're wasting your time because TikTok won't let you access the creativity program. The good news? It's simple. Head over to the link I've put at the top of the description. The page will look something like this. This is one of the only legit ways to get a US or UK-based TikTok account right now, no cap. Follow all the instructions carefully on how to properly use your new account. Mess this up, and TikTok's algorithm will figure out that you're not in the US and stop pushing your content. Follow all the instructions carefully on how to properly use your new account.
Mess this up, and TikTok's algorithm will figure out that you're not in the US and stop pushing your content.
Also, there's a 5% discount using my code AI Syndicate at checkout if you want to save some cash. Proof? When I open the account settings, the creativity program option is clearly visible, a feature only available in eligible regions. Next, just pick a profile picture and customize your account however you like. In Chapter 2, we'll reveal the hottest viral niches to help you blow up. If you're still stuck on choosing a niche, keep watching. Pro tip, generate your profile picture in Leonardo. It takes like a minute and looks unique and professional. Congrats! You've now created your first TikTok account. Great job. Let's move on to Chapter 2, choosing your path to success, aka picking your niche. This part is crucial. Some creators are raking in over $15,000 a month with videos getting millions of views. But heads up, TikTok's creativity program doesn't accept everyone. Here's the deal. Don't bother uploading podcast clips or streamer footage. That content doesn't qualify for monetization. TikTok's policy is clear. Original content only. So what is the secret niche formula? The perfect niche has 3 key ingredients. First, aim for content that appeals to a broad yet specific audience. By targeting viewers from high-income regions like the US and similar countries, you'll earn more money per 1,000 views. That's your RPM. Next, pick a niche where the videos are quick to produce but have high perceived value. This lets you easily scale your content, and with AI, automation becomes a breeze. Lastly, choose proven concepts. Save yourself time by finding niches with a few breakout accounts, but not so many that the space is overcrowded. Reddit stories are a prime example. There are massive accounts crushing it in this space with simple content. Take your time here. Picking the right niche is vital. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time for Chapter 3, creating your first viral TikTok. First, use ChatGPT with the prompt I've provided in the description. This generates a custom creepypasta-style story. Once you have your script, head over to 11 Labs for the voiceover. I recommend 11 Labs because their voices are top-notch, and TikTok favors polished content. But if you're on a budget, free voiceover tools work too. Pick a voice from the library that suits your content. Next, paste your story, generate the audio, and download it. Time for visuals. For gameplay footage, I recommend either Minecraft Parkour, GTA, or some other game footage. Proven formats that rack up millions of views. Search YouTube for high-quality clips, download one, and you're good to go. Need scary background music? Same process. Or just use the file I've linked in the folder. Now we're ready to edit. Use CapCut. It's free and powerful. Select the TikTok format and upload all your content: gameplay, voiceover, and music. Click Auto Captions to quickly generate accurate subtitles. Customize them for a scarier or playful vibe based on your theme. Don't forget to mute the original parkour audio and adjust your background music volume. One last thing. Add the original Reddit comment as an overlay at the beginning. I've provided a template in the folder to save time. Write a catchy hook to grab attention. Something AI generated from ChatGPT works well. Double check that the comment overlay disappears at the right time for a clean, polished look. Now your video is ready.
I found a strange note under my windshield wiper last night. I work late shifts at a diner just off the highway. Nothing glamorous, but it pays the bills. I clocked out around 1:30 a.m. last night, and the parking lot was empty, except for my old Honda parked under a flickering streetlight. The place was dead silent, the kind of quiet that makes you hyper-aware of every sound. Your own breathing, the crunch of gravel under your feet, that sort of thing. As I approached my car, I noticed something tucked under my windshield.
Here's a snippet of what it should sound like. It was the scratching that first caught my attention. Pretty eerie, right? Now onto Chapter 4, optimizing your videos for virality. Here are 3 insider tips to boost your content. 1. Upload schedule. Since we're dealing with AI-generated content, stagger your uploads by at least an hour to avoid suspicion from TikTok's algorithm. 2. Add surprise endings. Faceless TikToks often end with a call to action. You should too. For creepypasta, ask a viewer question or prompt engagement like, "Would you have done the same?" 3. TikTok series. Promote a video course or series in your posts. TikTok has a vested interest in pushing series content because they take a cut of your profits. This isn't just theory. Top creators confirm this approach works wonders. So are you ready to seize this ridiculously simple money-making opportunity? Let me know in the comments.
If you're serious about using AI to make money,
join our waiting list. You'll be the first to know when our Skool community launches, featuring advanced strategies and in-depth tutorials to help you succeed.
AI Syndicate, side hustle dreams. We're turning thoughts into laser beams. With every tool, every trick you learn, we're building futures, cash to burn. So hit subscribe, don't miss the call. Your AI journey starts with us all.